Le, when I can to him, class 8 home, chapter 14, factorization, Anita. Factorization can be two factor zonro dinani. Factor zondani tam takamta. Common method method of common factors dioma. So in factorization with identities. Factorization using identities the ombak so in patumna on splitting middle terms the omta ay common the method of common the and pat pakadna method of common factors. Factors dan factor. And then example factorize factorize 2x plus 4 kilometers. Itu reduction sayang. Jangan poi mosok sayang tu. Ani joining common ani kita bahagi kita hianin. Helai variable appear in 2x le 4 hianin common on common omji common tinggal tinggi so helai 2 le 4 same thing number only so common po so highest common factor ni tu ni 2 oma hi x kan la thilo chan thum ta common thilo ba ni 2 le ta 2 is common factor so same tinggal ni kan sentan 2 le 2 sampai 1 ita angle chuang chu x 2 in 2 4 ita ni omji chu 2 times x plus 2 dengan hemi 2 in hi isen join hi muanga join hi han hi isen join hi 2 hi mu di wan tan chu 2x plus 4 tan factor chu 2 times x plus 2 dengan a common factor tu pakhat le example pakhat han ti dia le kabumi tu na me common factors ke zong meta and then le 7a square plus 14a along with the helai number constant number 7 le 14 here 7 thei an omen highest common factor omen tani 7 with the so on helai base variable he can le a square a ani number like that and dia a base ani langa amaro to a square le a here as any common factor enge lam hit a square le a square alien zo a hi te zo so ang common ila re na chon hi dia ma algebraic expression a chon a te zo ki common ila 7 and 7 to senta 1 mai lama a square ka a kan sentinani om je to a square by a ta a times a ya a cancel it out. Nichol a ka a square divided by a to a lomita so hilama 14 assembly 14 divided by 7 to 2 lomita a le a to 1 and cancel it Nichol factors of 7a square plus 14a to 7a times a plus 2. He they factors nitani. Kaga common method. So nitani. Common method so pakhat le chu. Cheti bringa na chu. Panina using identities kanino. using identities, special identities. Class A that is 0 to A plus B holding square. A plus B the whole square to 2 beta. Kaga 2 again A square plus B square. Hey, application. Man dane ni mai. Hemi mangyari a factor is unknown dinani. To factorization using identities in that. This one A minus B holding square to A square minus 2AB plus B square vanilita. So patumka A plus B times A minus B to A square minus B square. B square. Hey patumhi special identities. Hemi mangyanin factor zongdon tani. Enter na example na. Tingnan le kabumi pakat kalam. Nahi kan enam. Heta hianin a first term le a last term hi kan enam. Last term hi entala perfect square anita. So hinam po hi perfect square anita. Perfect square veven chuanin perfect square ita a helayami pathuma hianin eng identity neng in bilang kaya in don tani. Assign an ena plus niya ani chon heta ba plus alawita a tumi ba chon A plus B holding square imang thei dinani heta hen fin ko wa chu first term ka perfect square ni ani ni lai x square square root of x square to x ni so ani no hi po hi 16 po hi perfect square ni square root of 16 to 4 ani ta ni ani chuan hemi direct kan hang thei thani kami man ma khanin hemi am hianin chuak thei enang ani chuan x2 x square plus ani ta 2ab ani ta 2 ni maya a2 x ania times so ni the square root of 16 to 4 ani ta 2a for the whole square. And so a square plus 2ab plus b square. 1 dinari sign point in the and so identity 1 in the dinari 1 2 3 and so a square plus 2ab plus b square 2 a plus b square niya also a kan tiya so x in kani x plus b to 4 nita holding square. Each one factors of x square plus 8x plus 16 to x plus 4 holding square and then identities mangin kanzong tani so dang le pakhat ka yani minus telo delta se om theya plus mat po ni thita wa minus telo delta se kanen le ang 4y square then below ita se helai po yun ang first term hi 4y square ni 4 hi perfect square 9 hi perfect bebe square root of 4 is only 2 lo ita and it's what hi 2y holding square minus ang identity ngin man to minus plus ni chuan a minus holding square mang thei don tin ha chu chen chu an hi tat ha ilai ka 2y whole thing square, a square, minus 2 times 2a, 2y, times perfect square, square root 9 to 3 is 3 whole thing square. So then this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which will be a to 2y minus b3. Here he made a factor to 2y minus 3 whole square minus le plus the kind can anyway chin down any chuan hita pakhat in le kabumi ka tilia jidang le pakhat nan zong le entimnan denominator se 4x square minus 9y square hi a factor zone ati any point hangloba hilai perfect ve ni ke dabangin square root of 4 to 2 nita 2x the whole square kadina 9 to 3 nita mo 3y kadilian ha theram don ta ni chuan a square minus b square, a square minus b square to lama left side again I'm this one a plus b times a minus b and so he a niya 2x plus b 3y times lama minus 2x minus 3y and the theta ni having effect is on the identities pathum nongin kan zawto chuan pakhat ang le chu splitting middle terms kanang line pakhat te in le kabumi pakhat kan tilinga a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 formula am sila witi amar ka formula ne khani amil thei turin consume thale do ti dani ani chon lama hianin a ni b ni amil tura chu identity 3 hinita ani chon a to the power of 4 kan container ani a square whole thing square ani la bumi alwani he a square minus b contain le b square whole thing square the sorry is whole thing square with a also a square ni tonga b also b square ni tonga and so a square minus b square to ini ila hinta and so a square plus here square minus b square he ani dona kanen le hilani athen le thayeni choni athen le be don tani a square minus b square to a plus b into minus b athen le be don tani du jo dil ta ya athen thai choni factorize in the so ten zel ta factor zong zel the izong zel thi tani ani chon hilani chu formula um to lo kan sia lo kan sia ma bi amaro chu hilai a square minus b square to a plus b into a minus b ta and so a plus here he a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 times factor so on splitting middle terms 0 pathum na splitting middle terms here. Claiming complicate bedawa. Until now, example la. Hello, it is splitting middle term. Dimita. He mean middle term. First term, third term, entire. He pakat ma. Hello, me too. Perfect square zonia. Hello, me also perfect square with lovely. Khatia ma khalin. Identities can mang dolo. Splitting middle term. Middle term in 10. Dimita ni. And it's also sabera. X square ma yani coefficient hi 1 omani amma a upon dir tu gati don mani tu hita hianin 1 om zeri number range tu so also masabara 1 and 6 kan puntir first termini number le the last one ka ipuntir 6 kan a so anin ta hianin kan en le anga middle term of 1 less 6 equal to 3 into 2 for 6 over meter. Helai mi hi middle term hi helai mi product pan hi ipun tir hi ibel inemo ipai inemo 5 imune ipai choni ta 5 imu ibel choni ta hianin 5 imu ve ai nang ve to ngai tai Amaro to hilai can check. Hipo he pay chonin 6 tama 1 pay 2 5 ani pay no chinam x square ka split to ni middle term split am ka tenam ni chonin 1 to 2x and 5 mu to ni ta a ani chonin 1x plus 6x plus 6 ila hitingin tentani baru watama pakhani pecho dizel dia John regrouping nole ila groupa noma ila group common kan mang lenga x kan letheya x minus 1 nomitali so nila mahianin last 6 veve uma 6 and senta 1 ya x plus 1 ani ta kha ta hianin enge kan detect enge kan mutai thil dinge dilo aron lang mo ta ni ta hianin splitting middle term a chonin helai bracket pa ni chok he ani nang chia chia tu ni ta ni amar choni ta hianin x le x ani nanga hita minus oma hita plus om de ari nang talawani so actually common kan la thei to don lo wangin hemi hi imang thei talawani imang thei don lawani ta film ko ngai ani chonin 6 thau chuak sia a product bel chonin panga chuak thau middle term chu 3 plus 2 hite kan china ni chuanin x square chom sanita a he tami product ke pani hi puntir pani bel chinang plus 3x plus 2x split eta ni panga thawni 5x thawni 6 group le group ka 3 ki chuan example yang x plus 3 lomita a plus 2 common avale thaya 2 x plus 3 ka tu na chonin ani nang chia chia chani common ale ile thita ni chon na puntir tu ka hita yan so ta yan in 3 ita hin x log ni x Kailan ta ni chuan helai pani common ani bangin x plus 3 pakhat kailan ta helai puntir pu kha dingla ta da bi don ta ni chuan imi factor tan chuan x plus 3 x plus 2 hi a factor ni ta ni helai hi film khur ngai ta ni pai chuan in 5 a chuak than ta bel a chuak ani amaro chu ta bracket is ang kan chuan cancel me tu ka poi mo apoi mo chuan entir na pakhat te han ti lenga Ilahi hinan liang perfect ani tilawa ilahi jo perfect niya last term hi perfect ni lo ta da bangin splitting middle term hang le ta ni chon hilai one coefficient le 21 puntil 21 so middle term kha an split on bangin ton ilai puntil pan hi kha 21 le 1 tang khani ipai inamo ibel inamo 10 at swap ni kha tingi to 21 number 1 page 10 swap lo shim ibel point 22 mita ani chonin 21 product mu to chonin timetable tang ala omani ani om to 7 times 3 hi om ta 7 3 times 21 mita helai puntira pan mi he ibel chonin 10 to swap la ni kan ani chon hi kan mangchinanga x square ni amaro chu share to middle term in split don bangin assign and a minus ania bangin minus 7x minus 3x tinagal don tani ni chon minus s on y nia sino tin reaction ni chon tayan x ani join minus 7x minus 3x bel 2 minus 10x ani tani so then in turn he can split down minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 he split ai nam kan ani so good kan group le ta common kan le do tani ma kan se khan common x pakhat te zo lak tu ka ti kha Leta x squared to x is into 1 x cancel to 7 Leta minus x left hilawa 3 le 21 actual common highest common factor 3 lo mita x left hilawa 3 cancel x minus hilai na bagay minus kasi ang itonin plus divided by minus in 7 Ani so hilami bracket pa ni ani nang chia to kan kita ani nang kata common ang dele nga x minus 7 x minus 2 hi factor to lang do dali kaka splitting middle terms na to na pakhat hilai mi coefficient puntir hi number tam deuh lo ni ta se ganti number tam deuh alom thei veta endinan di point thai ta ni he dia is first term le second term ami number ka 2 le 25 ka 20 re me 30 lo ta amaro thilai kan hi khai balance mo pain mo 7 chok lo ni ani jo 30 minute so dang le ta 10 3 za bo ni ta ni ani jo hilai ko de ka bel le pain 7 achwa ta ni mas in izona kha minus ni ta ba ngin alian zo minus 10x 3x in split down dinami join 2x squared minus 10x plus 3x minus here and split I know regroup tani one group data 2 la 10 to 2 la 3 x ma x popular ma and then x minus 5 and 17 not 10 x got 2x in center 5 anyway plus 3 la 3 data then again young x minus divided by plus 2 minus 1 okay check 5 the funny derive pani check so and 7 minus 5 x plus 3 here a factor here splitting middle term so look at it the funny determine consider the factorization so a top number pakhat hi division of polynomial by polynomial dikhanita kala hi sam khanita ala pakhat te chau piam ille khabuami claima complicated wa omchu exercise 14.3 ME number 3 1 nakalaw din sem anita hegan sem bontani hi sem to hila be sem 2 and it's all 10x minus 25 over 5 kilometer dihan ka chitung zira common method to zil to ani jonila hi common method zira akan tiang 10 le 25 hi ani common 5 kilometer 5 ni join 2 in 5 in 2 x minus cancel layer 5 times over 5 kilometer ni chuan lai kan thai cha thei kan ni bracket hi assign and to multiplication sign and ta 5 le 5 ni chuan answer to 2x minus 5 hi pakhat kilometer se so padita highlight di lema dihan semblong dileta 10x minus 25 over 2x minus 5 annoy hi chu factor ng zong thei tu ba at chung mi hi common factor ng zong le zon ni ani chonin zong 10% thei 25% thei chu 5 2x minus 25% chonin 5 kilometer na so 2x minus 5 hello data ani 2x 5 minus 5 can cancel na answer to 5 lagi kawan tadi kau ka factorization na so na factor zone na jitung le division sem ai ta ka sem na ko kani kan fiat tu formula ni ai mil no tia ka real ni to zen mai formula special identities kan fiat pathum ne ni mil ne chuan common factor zone thayen chuan splitting middle term in factor kan zong thayen tia ka mun dawa ngai to mai ta ni kham yau nei an mil kan choni factorize ka kan le zai ta in factorize the chung zong ko factor zong the chung ka chu formula ni chon lo ti zai mi to ni ta ni ka ti zong ka vaina factorization kan zir thei chu ta se